Take a moment, look at yourself in the mirror. What do you see? What words come to mind? Be honest, this is your starting point. The image staring back at you is a reflection of your thoughts. It's a manifestation of the words you speak to yourself, both silently and aloud. Those words hold immense power. They shape your perception, influencing how you view yourself and the world around you. They can either uplift you or drag you down. The choice is yours. Remember, you are worthy of love, kindness, and respect. Start by believing it. That voice inside your head? That's your self-talk. It's the inner dialogue that runs through your mind, shaping your perception of the world and yourself. It's the constant stream of thoughts, beliefs, and doubts that color your experiences. This self-talk can be a powerful force, influencing your emotions, actions, and overall outlook on life. If your self-talk is negative, filled with self-criticism and limiting beliefs, your reality will reflect that. Negative self-talk can create a cycle of doubt and fear, making it difficult to see the positive aspects of your life. You'll find it harder to see opportunities and believe in your abilities. This can lead to missed chances and a lack of confidence, further reinforcing the negative cycle. But here's the good news: you can change that voice. You have the ability to transform your inner dialogue into something more positive and supportive. You can rewrite the script. By consciously choosing to replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you can create a more empowering narrative for yourself. You have the power to cultivate a more positive and empowering inner dialogue. This shift can open up new possibilities and help you achieve your goals. Start by becoming aware of your self-talk. Notice the patterns and themes that emerge in your thoughts. Are they supportive or critical? Pay attention to the words you use when you talk to yourself. Are they kind? Are they encouraging? If not, make a conscious effort to change them. Practice self-compassion and remind yourself of your strengths and achievements. One effective way to shift your self-talk is through journaling. Write down your thoughts and feelings and then reframe any negative statements into positive affirmations. Reading inspirational books and quotes can also help reinforce positive thinking. Surround yourself with uplifting messages and people who support your growth. Incorporate mindfulness practices like meditation and yoga into your routine. These activities can help you stay present and reduce the impact of negative thoughts. Create a vision board with images and words that represent your goals and dreams. This visual reminder can keep you focused on the positive aspects of your journey. Remember, changing your self-talk is a gradual process. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. With time and practice, you'll find that your inner voice becomes a source of strength and encouragement. Embrace the power of positive self-talk and watch as it transforms your life. The stars above remind us that even in the darkest moments, there is light and hope. Let your inner voice be a guiding star, leading you towards a brighter future. Your subconscious mind is like a fertile garden. Whatever seeds you plant, whether positive or negative, will take root and grow. Negative self-talk plants seeds of doubt, fear, and insecurity. Over time, these seeds can sprout into limiting beliefs that hold you back from living your full potential. The good news is that you can reprogram your subconscious mind. You can replace those negative seeds with positive affirmations and empowering beliefs. It takes time and effort, but it's possible. Just like a gardener tends to their garden with care, you can cultivate a more positive and supportive inner landscape. Every moment presents an opportunity for growth and transformation. You have the power to choose how you respond to challenges, setbacks, and successes. When you face a challenge, do you tell yourself, "I can't do this?" Or do you say, "I can figure this out"? Your self-talk will determine your actions and ultimately your outcomes. Choose to focus on the positive. Choose to see the good in yourself and others. Choose to believe in your abilities. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. In Section 5, Seizing the Moment. Opportunities are everywhere. They are like the stars in the night sky, countless and ever-present, waiting to be discovered. They often appear when you least expect them, just like a shooting star that suddenly lights up the sky. Opportunities can come out of nowhere, surprising you with their brilliance. But if you're not paying attention, if your eyes are not open to the wonders around you, you might miss them. It's easy to get lost in the mundane, to be so focused on the ground that you forget to look up. If you're too caught up in negative self-talk, you might miss them. Doubts and fears can cloud your vision, making it hard to see the opportunities that are right in front of you. When an opportunity presents itself, don't hesitate. Just as you would reach out to catch a falling star, seize the moment with both hands. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Take a deep breath, believe in yourself, and take action. The night sky is vast and full of possibilities, and so are you. The more you step outside your comfort zone, the more you'll realize that you're capable of more than you ever thought possible. Each step you take into the unknown is a step towards discovering your true potential. You'll gain confidence, resilience, and a deeper sense of self-belief. Just as the stars have endured for eons, you too will find strength and endurance within yourself, and a deeper sense of self-belief. This belief will be your guiding star, leading you through the darkest nights and the brightest days. Remember, the only limits you have are the ones you set for yourself. The sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Look beyond the stars and imagine the endless possibilities. Break free from those limitations. Shatter the barriers that hold you back, just as a star breaks through the darkness of space. And embrace the possibilities that await you. The universe is vast and full of wonders, and so is your potential. Reach for the stars, and you might just catch one. Section 6. The Law of Attraction. The law of attraction is a powerful force that governs our lives. It is an ancient principle that suggests that the energy you emit into the universe is the same energy that you will attract back to yourself. This means that your thoughts, feelings, and actions are like magnets drawing similar energies towards you. It states that like attracts like. This concept is not just about physical objects or people, but also about the intangible aspects of life, such as emotions, opportunities, and experiences. When you focus on positive thoughts and feelings, you are more likely to attract positive outcomes. What you focus on expands. This means that whatever you give your attention to, whether it is positive or negative, will grow and become more prominent in your life. If you constantly think about your goals and dreams, you will find ways to achieve them. Conversely, if you dwell on your fears and doubts, they will become obstacles in your path. If you constantly dwell on negative thoughts and beliefs, you'll attract more negativity into your life. This can create a vicious cycle where negative thinking leads to negative experiences, which in turn reinforce your negative thoughts. Breaking this cycle requires a conscious effort to shift your focus towards the positive aspects of your life. But if you cultivate a positive mindset and focus on your desires, you'll attract more positivity and abundance. Start by practicing gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool that can help you shift your focus from what you lack to what you have. By appreciating the good things in your life, you create a positive energy that attracts more good things. Focus on the good things in your life, no matter how small. It could be as simple as a beautiful sunset, a kind gesture from a friend, or a moment of peace and quiet. By acknowledging and appreciating these small blessings, you train your mind to look for the positive in every situation. Appreciate the people around you, the experiences you have, and the lessons you learn. Every person you meet and every experience you have, whether good or bad, has something to teach you. By viewing life as a series of learning opportunities, you can maintain a positive outlook even in challenging times. The more you appreciate the good, the more good you'll attract into your life. This is the essence of the law of attraction. By focusing on positivity, gratitude, and your desires, you create a powerful energy that draws more of the same into your life. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality with your thoughts and feelings. Embrace the law of attraction and watch your life transform. Section 7. Words of encouragement. Here are some examples of positive affirmations that you can use to reprogram your subconscious mind. I am worthy of love and happiness. I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. I am strong, resilient, and resourceful. I am grateful for all the good in my life. I am attracting success and abundance into my life. Repeat these affirmations daily, either silently or aloud. Write them down in a journal. Visualize yourself living these affirmations. The more you immerse yourself in positivity, the more it will become your reality. Section 8. Embracing transformation. Changing your mindset is not an overnight process. It takes time, effort, and consistency. But it's a journey worth taking. Be patient with yourself. There will be days when you fall back into old patterns of negative self-talk. Don't beat yourself up. Just acknowledge the thought, let it go, and choose a more positive one. The more you practice self-compassion and self-acceptance, the easier it will become to cultivate a positive and empowering mindset. Remember, you are a work in progress. Embrace the journey and celebrate your progress along the way. Section 9. A brighter tomorrow. You have the power to create the life you desire. It all starts with your mindset. By changing your self-talk, you can change your reality. Believe in yourself. Embrace your strengths. Learn from your challenges. And never give up on your dreams. The world is full of possibilities. Open your eyes, open your mind, and embrace the amazing future that awaits you.